Coinbase is a popular, trusted cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy Bitcoins with a credit card. It is important to note that Coinbase is not a Bitcoin wallet. The platform only allows you to store your cryptocurrency in their wallets, which are insured by the FDIC. The process of buying Bitcoins from Coinbase is quite simple, but there are a few things you need to keep in mind before you get started. First, it is important to have a Coinbase account and link your bank account or credit card with it. This way, the company can verify who you are and what your bank account details are. Once this step is completed, you can buy Bitcoins by selecting the Buy/Sell tab from the top menu bar and clicking Buy Bitcoin in the drop-down menu in the digital currency column. Then you will be prompted for a form where you have to enter the Bitcoins. Once you have created an account, you will be asked to verify your identity by uploading a photo of your driver's license or other government-issued ID and then filling out a form with details about yourself. After verification of your identity is complete, you will be able to deposit funds into your Coinbase account in order to purchase Bitcoin from them. You can buy Bitcoins on Coinbase by paying with either a credit card or bank transfer. If you are purchasing Bitcoins with a credit card on Coinbase, there is no fee for purchases up to $150 per week, or $500 per month.